The standard field sobriety tests are the HGN. That's where they take a pen or other stimulus and have you follow it with your eyes, and they look to see if there's any jerkiness in your eyes and some other things. The second test is the walk and turn test, and that's where they have you stand and then walk 9 paces and then make a turn and walk back 9 paces. And they're looking for whether or not you go off the line, or you don't touch heel to toe, or you start too soon, or you don't do the turn properly, and some other things. And then the third test is the one-leg stand, and in that test they have you pick a leg and stand on one foot and typically count to 30, and they're looking to see if you're swaying, and if you put your foot down, if you raise your arms above 6 inches, and all those tests are basically there to determine whether or not you can drive safely. They're called divided attention tests. And again, while there's studies to say that they are helpful in determining whether someone's impaired or not, there's also a lot of individual problems. I mean, people have medical issues, people are nervous when they're dealing with these situations, and so it's important to understand those are general tests that are given in the same way to someone who is 20 years old in perfect shape or 50 years old and way out of shape. And so, those are things that can make a difference in a DUI trial, because obviously the 50-year-old who's 50 pounds overweight and has bad ankles is probably not going to be as steady on their feet as the 20-year-old who is in ripped shape and runs 10 miles a day, as an example. So those are some just quick general thoughts on the typical 3 field sobriety tests given in Washington State.